You know, one of my followers is having hernia surgery. He sent me a DM, and his doctor told him no bananas for 5 days before surgery. So of course he had to ask me, "Are bananas bad for you?" I was like, "Well, let me do my research. I thought they were pretty good, you know." So you may know this or you may not know, but bananas are the world's most popular fruit. Walmart sells more of these than any other item. But the big question remains, are bananas good for you, or is there a dark side for this beloved fruit? Let's peel back the layers. Ah, you like that, right? Peel back the layers. So, first of all, the good. Bananas are a nutritional powerhouse. I mean, a medium-sized banana, this is a little bit larger, a medium-sized banana has about 112 calories, 29, 30 grams of carbohydrates, and 3 grams of fiber. They're rich in potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and some magnesium. We need magnesium. And these nutrients support heart health, aid in digestion, and provide a quick energy boost. That's probably why they're so popular. The fiber in bananas, including the resistant starch and the not so ripe ones, they promote digestive health and may even help regulate blood sugars, glucose levels, right? But it's not all sunshine in the banana grove. I like these. Like an unripe banana, which is rich in resistant starch, can cause some bloating or gas in some individuals. And however, an overripe banana has a higher sugar content. And that's not ideal if you're trying to monitor your blood sugar. If you're diabetic, you can't even eat sweet bananas. You can't eat ripe bananas. And let's talk about the prostate connection. So there's no direct link that I found between banana consumption and prostate health that has been established. Diets that are rich in fruits and vegetables generally are associated with reduced risk of prostate inflammation. Interestingly enough, there have been some studies that suggest that the banana flower extract may suppress prostate gland enlargement, reducing inflammation and regulating some of the cell growth. The big thing here, though, polyphenols. I saw a guy on TikTok talking about that. First off, polyphenols are a group of plant compounds that have an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and other health-promoting properties. Now, bananas themselves contain a small amount of polyphenols, but the concern that some people have, or that they raise, is that bananas may interfere with the absorption of polyphenols when combined with other foods, like smoothies, for instance, in a smoothie. And the reason? Well, it's because bananas are rich in pectin. Pectin is a soluble fiber which can, slow down digestion and potentially bind with other polyphenols, reducing how much your body can absorb, right? But the truth is that effect is very small, it's very minimal, and it's just dependent on the context and what you're eating. I mean, if you're eating a diverse antioxidant-rich diet like, berries and herbs, greens and nuts, then the small interaction from a banana will not cancel out those powerful benefits. In fact, bananas can actually help support your gut, help support your health. And over time, it improves the polyphenol metabolism throughout your entire microbiome. Oh. So let me give you a testosterone peaking, a prostate soothing banana recipe, a smoothie for you right now. So you're going to take one ripe banana. This is just about ripe. By tomorrow, it'll be perfect. One ripe banana, which energizes, your gut. Energy. Potassium, has got potassium in it. Take a teaspoon of raw pumpkin seeds. Got to have pumpkin seeds. Got the zinc for testosterone. Reduces swelling in the prostate. A teaspoon of flax seed. That's loaded with lignans, and that's It helps to buffer and reduce estrogen in your body. Half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Make your own almond milk. Don't buy the garbage from the supermarket. A quarter cup of frozen blueberries, or you can use, if you have fresh, use fresh. That's good. A quarter of an avocado, healthy fats in there, and give your smoothie some body. A quarter teaspoon or half a teaspoon of turmeric, excuse me. Pinch of black pepper in there. That helps to get into that deep tissue inflammation, smooth it out. Quarter teaspoon of cinnamon to help regulate your blood sugar, improve the circulation, add some warmth to this smoothie. A scoop of plant-based protein if you want to turn this into a protein smoothie. No soy, right? And you can throw in a teaspoon of maca powder as well if you want like a boost for libido and some vitality, Just throw it all in a blender, blend. You can throw an ice cube if you like. If it's a little too thick for you, because of the avocado, throw in a splash more of almond milk or a little bit of water. Throw it in a glass, you're done. And drink it with intention for healing. Like we tend to drink things down water, we just kind of guzzle it, not thinking. I want you to be more intentional when you're taking compounds and smoothies and things for your health. Just intention, all right? So run to Walmart, get a banana, and let's get healthy.